Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to configure single sign-on in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Configuring the single sign-on or SSO in Salesforce allows users to log in using their credentials from an identity provider, or also known as IDP, without having to manage separate login credentials for Salesforce. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and click Setup. Now here, we must enable the SSO in Salesforce, and on the quick find, I want you to type in single sign-on settings. That's going to be under identity. Click on it. And the first thing that we need to do is to click the edit that is beside the SAML assertion validator, because here you can configure single sign-in in order to authenticate users in Salesforce.com from external environments. All right. Please take note that your organization has the following options available for single sign-on. So you have these: delegated authentication and federated authentication. I want you to click on edit section. All you have to do is, if you want to configure like delegating the authentication, you can disable the login if you want. Or if you wanted the federated single sign-in using SAML, click on enable, whichever your preference is. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. Save for both. All right. Now, the thing is, if you wanted to have a single sign-on settings for SAML, you have three options. You have the new, or the option for new from metadata file, and new from metadata URL. If you click on the new option here, you need to provide the name for that. For example, this on right here. You can put in the issuer, identity provider login URL, custom logout URL, and custom error URL. And the API name is going to be this one. Now, if you don't have any tracking knowledge about this, you might just want to cancel that and make sure one of the technical support staff in your organization deal with this. All right? Because this requires a background or a knowledge about the single sign-on settings. Right here, you see that you can choose a file from the metadata file. And again, that's basically how you configure single sign-on in Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.